Welcome back to our channel, my amazing friends. If you're watching this video right now, it means one thing. You're not just someone who scrolls through life. You're someone who wants to learn, to grow, to understand the deeper truth of this world. And today, we are bringing you one of the most powerful, emotional, and timeless real-life stories in human history. The true story of a man who changed the world without wealth, without power, without an army, without even writing a single book. A man who lived in poverty, walked barefoot, slept on stone floors, and yet, even 2,500 years later, his words still shake the earth. He was hated by politicians, mocked by the powerful, feared by the system, but he did not stop because all he ever wanted was the truth. His name was Socrates, and in this 4-part series, I'm going to take you through every detail of his life, his wisdom, his death, and his legacy. And yes, this video is not only a story, it's also great for your English. You'll learn how to listen, understand, and feel the language with powerful storytelling that will stay with you forever. So don't just watch this video, feel it, live it, learn from it. Part 1. The poor boy who taught the world to think. In the year 470 BC, in the city of Athens, Greece, something strange was happening. Athens had become a place of power, wealth, beauty, and pride. Statues of God stood tall. Marble temples touched the sky. Poets, painters, and warriors walked the streets. But under all the golden glory was something missing. The people of Athens were forgetting how to think. They loved fame. They loved pleasure. They loved money, but they had no time for the soul. And in the middle of this proud, shining city, a poor, ugly boy was born. His name was Socrates. Socrates was born into a working-class family. His father, Socrates, was a stonemason, a builder of walls, pillars, and temples. His mother, Phanerete, was a midwife. She helped women give birth. But even as a child, Socrates was different. He wasn't interested in statues. He wasn't impressed by kings. He didn't care how people looked or what clothes they wore. He only cared about one thing: what is right, what is good, what is real. He would sit alone for hours thinking. While others chased coins and power, Socrates chased truth. Not a hero, not a celebrity, just a mirror. Most great men in Athens wore beautiful robes, styled their hair, and gave long speeches to show off. Socrates, he wore the same simple clothes every day. He didn't wear shoes. He ate very little, only what was needed. He didn't care about fame or money. He once said, "He who is not content with what he is will never be content with more." People would laugh at him in the streets. They called him ugly. They said his face looked like a satyr. Wide eyes, big lips, round nose. He was not a charming speaker. He didn't impress crowds with sweet words. Instead,